Hey guys, what's happening? How to send crypto from Kraken Pro to another wallet. So in order for this to work out, you need to use the Kraken wallet in order to send, exchange, convert, etc. Because Kraken Pro is only for pragmatic stuff like trading, charting, analysis, execution, all that stuff. So Kraken Pro is more leaning to that side more than the wallet. So the wallet or the Kraken wallet have different features than the Kraken Pro. So in order for this to work out, make sure to download the Kraken wallet on your app, on your phone, and then go and open it up. Log in using your credentials. All right, and then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and click the portfolio at the bottom. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and select the crypto. Let's say fetch.ai. And then what you're gonna do, next to the balance, you're gonna see deposit and withdraw. Next to it, 3 dots, click. And then you're gonna see a pop-up window with 2 options, convert and then send. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit send, right? If that person, let's say, is available on Kraken, I'm gonna, let's say 5, right? If that person is available on Kraken, like they're using Kraken as you, just go ahead and hit continue and enter their crack tag or email, right? So you can send them like a PayPal payment and they will receive it to their wallet. But if you want to withdraw that wallet to, if you want to withdraw the crypto from this wallet to another wallet, like to a different platform, you'll need to generate an address from that platform and then hit withdraw, basically, and enter the amount in USD and then add new address, right? Go ahead and add or continue with the screen and then add the withdrawal address generated by this platform that you want, right? And then hit continue and you're gonna know the fees and everything, and then you're gonna be able to send the crypto to another wallet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.